I'm Brian Coon. I'm the building trades teacher here at Southwest Tech. So I teach woodworking, which is an introduction to how to use the tools and safety. And they usually work on like cabinetry or coffee tables just to get them familiar with the tools. Building Trades 1, we usually start out by building sheds, similar to building a house, just a smaller scale, and then build into the bigger ones. And then my Building Trades 2, sometimes they get out in job shadows and explore electrical and plumbing and sheetrock painting. This class teaches you skills that you're going to need no matter what profession you go into. You're always going to need to know how to fix a door, or if you have a leaky sink or something like that. Those are skills that every person needs to know. When I got out of high school, I went to school to be an engineer. I got a job doing carpentry and fell in love with it. I just love how it changes every day while you're always doing something different. You're always learning. At the end of the day, you can look at something and see a product. Sitting behind a desk wasn't for me at that stage of my career. It's actually a huge demand right now, and the pay has, really risen over the last 5 years because there is so few skilled tradespeople. For somebody that doesn't want to go to college, they could still get to that same level of pay by just working hard, learning and picking up stuff every day on the job. There's a lot of opportunity going out of this program to be successful no matter what field you go into. Whether you want to go into plumbing, electric, sheetrock, paint, all those things, to get the baseline and see how this stuff happens is going to help you for all those fields that you would go into.